What up, y'all? Here with another regular video. Today we're gonna be doing I'm trying to take out all my dash panel pieces. I'm gonna try to clean them up real good and probably paint them, man. I'm gonna do mostly all black, but I might put a couple little green accents. Y'all seen the previous video, I just picked the passenger grab handle. I think I'm gonna paint that green, try to match everything. Got a couple more green accents. Yeah, so what we have going on, man. Try to make this thing look a little better here, though. Let's get it right. Alright, y'all, so we got right here, man. Took out the whole dash. I'm about to clean and repaint all of them. Not nothing up here, but all the pieces out here, you see. I'm gonna clean all this stuff up and I'll probably respray most of it black. Gonna be a couple of pieces I'll do green, but most all of it's gonna be black. So we can get this thing a new look, new overhaul. I'm not record me cleaning anything. I might record me shooting some, spraying some stuff. I'm just gonna rattle can it. But man, it was a process. I think the hardest part about this right here was getting it from around the airbag. I'm gonna have to show it to you. I'll show it to y'all here on the other side. But if anybody's trying to do this, it's gonna be the panel that comes over your airbag here. The hardest thing was getting that panel out. Once I got the two screws out that was holding that panel in, the whole thing popped off there. It's held in about two 10mm bolts. And it's too small to get a ratchet in there. It'd be a bolt here on this side holding it, and a bolt here on the other side holding it. You gotta kind of figure your hand in back there. And I did it with a 10mm wrench here. Just had to go turn by turn. It took about good 30-45 minutes just getting them two bolts out. By that though, everything else was easy though. All right, man, go ahead and clean this stuff up. See if we can go ahead and start painting some stuff. Looking like, y'all, this is what it looked like after parts is finished, man. Not many green parts, just a little bit. It's gonna be a little bit of accent parts. Gonna look. Wait till y'all see this thing put together. I can see it already. It's gonna look good. It looks a lot different ever since I painted, sprayed it black, man. Shoot me right though. Nighttime right now, so I ain't got a chance to put these in. Let these suckers dry overnight. Tomorrow we're gonna put these things back in for y'all. It's gonna be in 2 seconds. Let's go. All right, y'all, this is what the finished product looked like, man. I didn't know when my camera went dead on me. I didn't even check the battery, so I might have missed a little bit of the end of the video of me putting this thing together. Got most of it, though. But this is what the final product looked like, man. It turned out good. Oh, yeah, she's right. That green looked good in here, too. Just a little bit, not way too much. And I accidentally put a green accent back here. Like, I found a piece that I didn't paint. It's like, oh, let me hurry up and paint this real quick. So I just painted the green, just a little back piece went behind the steering wheel. I think it's going to be a good backdrop for my ducks right here. Can I line up my ducks right here? With a little green backdrop back there. I like the way she turned out, man. Let me know what y'all think. This is my little custom setup right here. Customize it a little bit. But more stuff to come, y'all. More stuff to come. Stay tuned. This has been another Jeep Wrangler video. It's your host. Catch y'all on the next one. Go home.